Alright, so in this particular tutorial, we want to show ourselves how to upload YouTube videos, how to upload it to your channel. So this is what we're going to do. We're making use of this particular YouTube channel that we created recently. That's the one we want to use. So what you need to do, first and foremost, you need to have created your video, done all the editings that you need to edit. So what you are just doing here is just to upload. And then you must have created your thumbnail. Those are very important things. Every other thing can be done while on the application, but those two are very important. You must have made them ready. They must have been available before you start your uploading process. So now, we want to upload this video in this YouTube channel that we created. So I'm coming to click on what I have here as my profile picture, where you have M at the top right hand corner here. So I click on the M, and then it is bringing all of this out. So you click on your channel. Once you click on your channel, it gives you access to YouTube platform. Let me go back a bit. This place is just the YouTube platform. But when I click on this M here, it takes you to your channel. So this is the channel, so you can see the information in the channel. So there are no videos right now. So I click on this plus here, or I can just click on create, or let me just use the plus. And so it is showing me all of this. Create a short. The shorts are 15 seconds video clips. YouTube gives opportunity to upload 15 seconds video clips, so you can use that as a reminder for whatever uploads you want to do. But actually what we want to do now is to upload a video. So we click on upload video, and then it takes us to this place here. So this is actually what I want to use. This particular video clip is what I want to use for this process, this particular one. So I go and I click on next. I click on next, and then it takes me to this place here where it is asking me to create a title. So whatever title you want to use for your video, that is what you are expected to use at this place. Now, I'll advise that you use a very short title, something that can be easily read, something that people can easily see in a glance. It must not be too long or too bulky. So oftentimes we use characters that are less than or equal to 70. So we use 70 or less than characters so that the YouTube algorithm can actually see everything at a stretch. So what I want to put here, I'm just going to type introduction to laboratory apparatus, because that is actually what the video is about. Introduction to laboratory apparatus. So that is what I want to put there. So I can just add few emojis if I see, because sometimes it is good that you add emojis or something that can capture people's thoughts. Alright, so this is what I want to use. Now, YouTube will tell you to add description. For the description, this is what I want to do. You probably might have drafted something for your description, or you can start typing it actually here. Now, for your description, try as much as possible to write as many details about the video that you want. Something that can drive people into watching your video. Because the algorithm for YouTube, you notice I keep mentioning algorithm. Now, this is how it works. When people search for something on YouTube, YouTube will use the descriptions that are found on their database to put a video in front of the viewers. So you need to have written a lot of things in your, or very meaningful things about the video in your description, so that once people type that anything about what you have written in your own description, once they search for those things, YouTube can easily pick out your video and put it in front of them, along with other videos that have similar descriptions or tags, and then the person will now be left to make a pick, and that is now when your thumbnail comes in. So first and foremost, let us add our description. So I've actually done something that I want to use as my own description. So this is what I want to use as my own description. I've actually written this one so as not to make this video too lengthy. So I will just copy it. So I will come to this place. Now you can see how it looks. I will paste that I have written. I'll paste it here. So this is what my description is now. Now I'm talking about laboratory apparatus. So laboratory apparatuses are very important in our labs. They make laboratory works effortless. There are so many examples of these apparatus. Some of them are glasswares like the beakers, conical or Lemire flasks. the test tubes, burettes, pipettes, thermometers, volumetric flask, and the rest of those. So all of these are what, in case anybody is searching about any of the things that I have written here, YouTube will be able to bring my video to these people's presence, so they can actually have the opportunity to pick if that is what they want to watch. So this is what I want in my description, so I've added it, so my description is there now. So visibility, I want it to be public. Please try as much as possible to always make sure that this place is public. If it is on private, you will be the only one that will be seeing it, or people who are close to you who have actually chosen. But once it is public, it will be given to everybody who chooses to see anything, particularly things that have been written in your description. So your location now, well, you do not necessarily have to put anything to your location. And this playlist, if you have created a playlist on your channel, you can actually add this video to a playlist. But because this is a new channel, we will not be adding it to any playlist. Then it is showing us here that shorts remixing, allow video and audio. Well, you don't need this particular one. All what we need are the things that we have written down here. So after this is done, you can come to click on next. When you click on next, now it is asking that is the video made for kids. Now, if you actually want to monetize, make sure the video you are creating is not, you click no, it is not made for kids. Because if you say it is made for kids, then it means kids can watch it and YouTube will not accept that, particularly for monetization. So try as much as possible to click on no, it is not made for kids. Then age restriction, I will click do not restrict my video to viewers under 18. So I'll click on upload now. Once I click on upload, you notice that something will start happening. You can see that uploading your videos. So the video is undergoing the upload process now. So that is just that, and if in a short while you will see what has happened to that. So that is how you upload in a new channel. So that is the uploading process. So the video we uploaded earlier on, we can see the video is uploaded now, and this is how it looks.